Number 21, what values of x are solutions, excuse me, of 3x squared plus 11x equals 20? Well, there's a couple of ways to look at this. We could plug in the values and see what works, and we're going to do that. The other option you have, if you have a calculator, you can move this 20 over to the other side. And you could graph that. And what you're looking for is where are the zeros of that parabola, the quadratic problem. Where are they? Because that's what these solutions are. These solutions over here to the left, choice A, B, C, and D, they're saying, hey, where's that guy? Where are the zeros of it? Where is it crossing the x-axis? That would be one way if you had a graphing calculator. Now, the other way is to simply plug the values in and see. Now, if you think about this, -4/3, that's going to get nasty. -5/3 on choice B, nasty. 5/3, nasty. 4/3, nasty. But notice the other number that isn't too nasty. You have a 5, you have a 4, both positive, a negative, and a negative. Those are different. So all I got to do is let's plug 5 in. If it works, then we know that's the one that is the 0 because nobody else has a 5. So let's see, does 3 times 5 squared plus 11 times 5 equal 20? I can tell you right away, not a chance in the world, because this is 75 plus 55. That's not going to equal 20. So forget it. 5 is not one of the zeros. 5 is not a solution at all. So choice A, gone. I'm going to put money that choice B is also gone, a +4, because 11 times 4 right here, 11 times 4 is 44. That's already over. So that's not going to work. So it's going to be one of these negative pieces. Let's try, let's just try this guy. Let's try C, I guess. So 3 times -4 squared plus 11 times -4. We're seeing, hey, does that give us a 20? If it does, then we know he's one of the solutions, and the other one must be then 5/3. -4 times -4 is 16. This will give you -44 equaling 20. Now, 3 times 16 is 48 plus a -44, not working. So it's obviously D, but let's just double check in case we've done something wrong. Always want to be careful that you've done it correctly. So we have 3 times a -5 squared plus 11 times a -5. We're saying, hey, will that give us 20? -5 squared is 25. 3 times 25, 75. Plus a -55. Does that give you 20? Yes, it does. I know -5 is a solution, and since there's nobody else, 4/3 must also work. Choice D is our answer.